Our world today is getting more and more accustomed to the world of crypto. With more people being familiar with the information about crypto, it comes to no surprise when there are more cryptocurrencies that are being announced, and people are knowing more of the basics of crypto, such as holding coins and tokens for dear life. But what if there was a quicker and easier way to earn in crypto? And even for a relatively new ecosystem, it will still be possible. What is up, people, and welcome to another video from your favorite crypto YouTube channel, Crypto Cash Out, where we bring you the latest and most exciting news that falls under the crypto space. Quickly before we begin, it is important for you to remember that what we say and show in this video should not be taken as financial advice, as we are not financial experts. We are just fans of crypto just like you, and we want to share information about the topic at hand. We highly suggest that you guys do additional research after watching this video. The whole market is volatile right now, so please do yourself a favor and do additional research. Now, without further ado, let's head on to the video. If you remember way back in November 2021, there was a huge bull run that affected a lot, if not all, of the crypto markets in the world. This was partly due to the announcement of Facebook's rebranding to Meta. And because of all of this hype, VVS Finance wants to ride all the bull waves and hopefully make a name for themselves. So basically, VVS Finance is a relatively new name in the cryptocurrency scene, and if you haven't heard of crypto yet, don't worry, as again, it is a very new ecosystem. We will guide you on the things you need to know about the project and how you can earn passive income with the network. But remember to never put all your eggs into one basket. It is dangerous and can lead to losses. Because it is a new market, there are a lot of questions circulating the forums. People are questioning the future of VVS Finance and how it is going to grow in the future because of how early the network is. But the basic premise of VVS is that it is an AMM that is the first of its kind in the Kronos ecosystem of Crypto.com. AMM, or automated market makers, allow digital assets to be traded without permission. This allows for the automatic trading of the assets by using liquidity pools instead of traditional market that involves buyers and sellers. Here in Kronos, VVS provides swap, liquidity pool, and staking services that you can use to earn money. So again, this is the beauty when you put your time and effort into VVS Finance. Not only can you save and hold your tokens for the future, but you can also earn passive income with the network with an easy-to-use interface. I mean, they call themselves very simple finance after all. You can earn in the network if you participate as depositors or borrowers in the liquidity pools. As a depositor, you can earn passive income by providing liquidity to the market. When you are a borrower, you can borrow assets from the liquidity pool and with the assets that you have stored in your account. For additional information about liquidity pools, the protocol of VVS also follows a constant product formula. This makes it so that the product of the quantities of two given tokens will be the same before and after a transaction is made in the network via swap. This is the same for every LP. The price slippage is dependent on the ratio and quantity of tokens being made during the swap in the pool. When you make transactions here in the LPs, you'll be rewarded with liquidity provider or LP tokens that you can use in their crystal farms and receive VVS rewards, or you could let it sit as proof of ownership to earn 0.2% worth of the transaction fee when a pair is tested. They also have this feature that they call glitter farms. For starters, glitter farms work as a passive investment wherein you stake the VVS you earn in order to receive even more VVS. Now, these glitter mines work on an APY interest basis. This means that your rewards are automatically staked and reinvested into the mine. Automatically staking is good if you don't want to do the hassle of making that process. In the glitter mines, the interest is compounded. However, if you want to make things manual, VVS Mines allows you to claim the rewards and put it directly to your wallet. Now, there are a lot more things you can do with the glitter mines, such as deposit and withdraw your crypto assets there and view all the earnings and passive income you have made. But there are also questions surrounding this feature as, again, VVS is a relatively new network. People wonder how they can claim the rewards once the glitter mine pools expire. You can claim rewards for an approximate of 60 days. Once that 60 days is over, you will have to complete a fairly simple task in order to reap your blessings. Now, when making transactions here in VVS, the good news for you is that the transaction fee is really negligible. Only 0.5% of the corresponding earnings for each withdrawal from VVS Glitter Mines for users. Some of you may think that 0.5% is big, but you remember that they will be using these for the operational cost and risk associated with managing DeFi services and bringing more DeFi projects to you. But What about the token associated with VVS Finance? Well, VVS has their own token that is based on the Kronos ecosystem. In terms of performance, the token is quite struggling right now to find its mark. But because it is based on Kronos, this may change in a bit because of the moves Crypto.com has been making. At the time of writing, VVS token is valued at $0.00023, which is low for some people. But when you remember that they have 100 trillion tokens for a max supply, I guess it would make some sense as to why that is the case. The market cap is $344 million, which is okay for a new crypto. If you want to buy the tokens, you can head directly on the network of VVS Finance and buy from there. You also have the option of going to Crypto.com to buy the tokens, which is what most experts suggest because it is faster and safer for you. But you do you. For price predictions, let us start with a bit of negativity. For the website Wallet Investor, they don't believe in VVS Finance at all. They see the price of VVS to drop in a couple of months until it will be close to $0. But it isn't the same for everyone. For example, with the website cryptopredictions.com, they see the token to rise in the month of May. After that, they see the token to rise steadily but no all-time high for the year. They see the token to end the year at a price of $0.00033. It will grow to $0.00064 by the end of 2025 according to them, which is a 180+% increase in price. PricePrediction.net shares the same sentiment with CryptoPredictions.com. They see the token to rise sometime this year to average with the price of $0.00029. By 2025, they predict the token to be valued at $0.00083 each. If you wait long enough, the token is expected to be valued at $0.000512. Again, don't worry if you think that the price of the token is small. Remember that you have literally trillions of VVS tokens to collect, which makes the current pricing of the token make some sense. But again, it is really hard to read the future, especially with a new market like with VVS. There will be external factors that will negatively or positively affect the price. Hopefully, the things they do in the future will positively affect the price of VVS. One factor that may affect it is with its partner Crypto.com. If you have been keen in following the latest news surrounding crypto, you might have heard already that Crypto.com is expecting a huge growth thanks to KPMG Canada is now accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum into their system. This led to a second-hand effect with Kronos that is leading Coin to have a bullish run at the moment. And because VVS Finance is a partner of Crypto.com, we may also see a positive effect on VVS, but this has not translated into the price graph. Although they are relatively new crypto, it isn't bad to start looking ahead into the future of things. Right now, things are looking abysmal for them and they are looking for anything that may leverage them into prices that may earn the respect of the masses. They can just sit down and wait for their prices to skyrocket without doing anything. As early as the network may be, they need to start making a name for themselves if they want to combat the big names in the crypto world. Good for you because they have released a roadmap for the year 2022, and even though the time frame for each project is wide, you can still be excited as to what they have in store for us. The first and probably the most exciting thing in the roadmap is a plan for an NFT collection sometime in the second or third quarter of the year. Another thing in the roadmap is having a voting governance which allows users to vote out their opinion about the platform and make changes. Things included here are Smart Removal, Flash LP, VVS Gotchi GameFi, and a VVS Union Club among others. So, even if VVS is a new name in the market, let us hope for a bright future that awaits them. Thank you for watching today's video. Feel free to hit that like button. It helps us a ton to know that you like the videos. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It helps us grow and reach more people in the future. Another benefit of subscribing is that you will be updated on our latest videos. Comment your thoughts about VVS Finance down below and you might be chosen for a shoutout giveaway, so you don't want to miss that chance. If you like playing games, then we have a video about Engine and their token. You don't want to miss that video. Until next time, have fun cashing out!